welcome back to another video. So, I don't know if any of you will remember these gel polishes that I got. I think about a month ago I got a set of 6 of these. So these are the colours that I got in the last set of 6 and I loved them. It was like 2 kind of greys, a couple of nudes and a couple of pink. Well, that's a bit of a peachy pink, and I really liked them. I thought they were a really nice set. They were a really nice gel as well. And not only that, look at the packaging. Isn't it pretty? Super pretty. So I'm just going to give them a quick swatch today. Look at the bottles. These ones. They're in like a matte pink bottle. And I loved them. I did. So this time, I've got some pastels. Like, look at the top of the bottle. They've got a little flower on there. So, yeah, I'm just going to... Quick swatch video, guys. I was really impressed with these, actually, last time. I really liked them. And the bottles are just so pretty, aren't they? So, they're 7ml glass bottles. So, they're numbered 103 to 108. Yeah, so I'm literally just going to swatch them. So, these are on Amazon, guys, and they're really not a lot of money at all. For what they are, they're really nice gels. These were all just 1 quart last time. And yeah, I was really impressed with them. So, shall we get them swatched? So let's start with the first one, 103. So yeah, I'm just going to get straight into it and get them swatched. So these are all nice pastels, perfect for spring, Easter and summer. Not everybody's into your bright neons, are they? So pastels are brilliant for people that are not into bright neons in summer. So we've got a nice yellow. Yeah, you don't get a base or a top coat or anything. These are just colours. And I remember as well, these were really thin gels. But I do prefer a thin gel as long as it's opaque. Look at that, 1 coat. That's a very nice pastel yellow. Perfect pastel, isn't it? I like it. That's very pretty. So I'm curing these in the lamp for 30 seconds as well. Standard. Right, 104. Right, so 104. I've just gave these a quick shake because they've been sat on my in my box for a couple of weeks. So this is a beautiful peachy colour. Nice peach. These are quite strong pastels as well, aren't they? Nice strong colour pastels, if you know what I mean. Yep, nice pretty peach pastel. I like it. And look, 1 coat. Very thin coats as well. Right, 105 is pink. My favourite colour. Oh, it's a nice pink. Nice dusty pink. I like it. I'll put this one on a bit thick actually. That's lovely pink. Lovely pink. Oh, I like that. Very nice pink. I like that a lot. Right, 106. Very pale. Oh, this is a very pale purple. I like this. I like this a lot. These just paint on like a dream, guys. They're really nice. Really nice to use. Look at them. They just paint on like acrylic paint. They're beautiful. That's a really nice purple, that. Really nice purple. It's all, yeah, it's a lilac lavender, isn't it? That's really nice. Yeah, these are nice. I'm quite impressed with these little gels. 107 is a blue. And again, this is a very pale blue. Very pale blue. Oh, this is pretty. This is very pretty. I like that a lot. I do like that. I like that a lot. Very pretty colour. Right, should we get this last one done? Right, last one, which is green. Oh, this is, again, it's a very pale green. Very pale green. I really enjoy swatching these. I normally hate swatching, but when it's a gel that just paints like this, yeah, these are really nice. And the bottles are beautiful. Bonus. Look at that. Oh, no, don't look at that, not yet. Super pretty colour that, isn't it? Really, really pretty green as far as greens go. That is nice. Right, I'm going to get all these top coated guys and then we'll have a quick snosy at them. Right guys, that is them all swatched. So from left to right we've got the yellow, the peach, the pink, the purple, the blue and the green. Absolutely perfect pastel set of 6 that, isn't it? Definitely perfect pastel 6. I really like them. They're all just one coat, completely opaque, aren't they? I really like them. I don't know what it is with me, but I like my swatch sticks that way around. I don't know why. I just do. I think that's because that's the way I work on tips. And they don't look right upside down, but yeah, perfect set of 6 pastel colours, aren't they? I really, really like them. I do. I love this blue and green, actually. Really nice. I really like them. I'll quickly show you the other 6 that I got. So that's the pastel 6 and that's the pink, nude and grey set that I got. They're all quite muted down kind of colours, aren't they? I really like them. I like every single one of these. But anyway guys, I will leave the link to this set in my description box. They've got loads of other sets as well. Ooh, I wonder if they've got a set of neons. Ooh, I might be tempted by the neons as well. But yeah, I absolutely love these. The bottles are stunning, aren't they? Right up my street. Anyway guys, I'm going. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you back in my next one. Take care. Bye.